these are the four. There are two cute birds. First one on the left, Bowser, the best of all trains. The next one, Star, second train. This one, the third one, is called Pearl, and she is delicate and evil. This guy is the third best. He's also kind of delicate, but not that much evil. So we're gonna take one out to see how they act. There goes delicate. There goes Star. And then he doesn't want to get out, so get him in your finger, get him in your finger. Alright, he doesn't want it. Yeah. Get up. There it is. He's in your finger. You can get him into your finger fast. Oh, he doesn't want it. Look. Yeah, that's how you get him on your finger. He wants to get back to his cage, so. Now, that was a video of Bowser. Watch the next video of Star, the second best. Okay, goodbye.